Hello, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nory. If you want to see how I installed and curled this hair, just keep on watching.
When I see you, I go nuts. Please, baby girl, let me touch on them cocoa nuts. Let me get the milk with a cocoa puffs. Feeling kinda freaky, get the go-go cups. Oh shit, we're Inspector Gadget. I don't even know, but I be done had it. Listen, from your life, I'm what's missing.
Alright, so jumping straight into this video, this wig is from Amazon. So I have worked with this company before. It's called Iftime Hair, and this is a 20-inch 13x4 180% density. I will say, like, the texture of this hair, I don't want to say a kinky straight. It's like a natural straight. So I'm going in with my hot comb and then my Got2B Spray Wax and just flattening out that part.
Soon as you give them your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen.
So I did decide to pluck the other side of my hair just because it was looking a little dense. But yeah, you'll just see me going back in and plucking.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you.
So because I have like 4 wigs to install after this, I'm only going in with like 1 layer of glue. It is really thin, so by the time like I want to touch up the other side, I was kind of doing another layer. So if you want to say 2, but not really, so I'm gonna just say 1 layer and then 2 layers on the sides.
When they come with a bundle, I'm in a win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay?
For some reason, I sprayed a lot of hairspray on this section. So when you see me taking off the edge band, you'll see how it's really gunked up. But I just had to spray some more and then it just went away. So yeah.
Looking like Katie and Kyrie. My TD bag is on what? My TD bag is on Kylie. Try back in the lobby. All these niggas getting dodgy. When we see them, it's a party. Fabi, Sosa, Viral, Movie. I'm in this bitch with the wooski. Ball in the summer like Julie. Champagne got me loopy. Lizzie Bob looking groovy. All the demons looking moody.
And right here, I'm just showing you the 3 wigs that I had to also install. Mind you, I just got 2 more today while I'm recording, so yeah, pray for me. And I don't know what the heck I did to this blonde wig. Like, I toned it pretty good, but it just smells like wet dog. So yeah, so the wig that I'm wearing is 20 inches, but I did go in with some layers, and then I'm also about to cut off some more because the ends look kind of thin. So in total, I probably cut off about maybe 3 inches. So yeah. And now I'm just going back in and melting it with my hairspray and then my band. And then we're also doing a side part, and there was really no side parting space, but I ended up making it work. I had to do like a really deep curve, so yeah. And for some reason, the way that this wig is constructed, it's just brown hair straight from the top all the way down. And I don't like that. Like, it's right at the top of the wig. So I took some from the frontal and put it back, but it's still bothering me. But it is what it is.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save.
So after I finish cutting the lace, I'm just going to go in with the makeup remover on the very edge of the lace. So I'll be going in with my foundation that I use to tint the lace and my ball cap. And I'm just going to go around the perimeter and then go in with my Fantasia hairspray and lay that for like maybe another 10 minutes. But just look how it's already melted and I haven't even finished. Like, I ate. I love that I always look surprised because I just eat it. I eat every time.
I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the crack.
Couple freakers kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat.
So right here, I'm taking my comb and I'm basically breaking up that hairspray that I put on the very front of my hair. So it'll have a more natural look. And you'll see, like, I ate. This looks like a fresh blowout.
Very nine motherfucker chase bang, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas vicious, so I gotta rebound it. The nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas in them really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like I bought this nigga house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living.
So now we're about to go in and curl the hair. I'm using my Nicki Minaj merch cup to hold my hair clips. So yeah, when you're curling your hair with a flat iron, I feel like it's more of a visual thing. Like, I don't know how to explain it. So the only thing I'm gonna say is if you feel like some resistance when you're pulling down, just curl it the other way, pull it down a little bit more, and then go back the other way and try to keep turning it. And I hope that makes sense. If you feel resistance, turn it the other way, go down, and then turn it back. That's the only way I can explain it. Other than that, it's just a visual thing. But I did keep 2 of the curls at normal speed, and then I sped up the rest of them.
Too sexy for this fame, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, yeah.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing.
And also, you want to make sure that hair is in the same place as where the curl is. You don't want that hair dropping down in the flat iron. I hope that makes sense. And also, at no point in time should that flat iron open up. Like, that flat iron should stay closed the whole time that you're curling your hair.
Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah.
And you're just going to repeat that process on the other side, curling away from your face. So every single piece you do, you're curling it to go behind you, as you can see here. And again, with the hair piece, make sure it's in between the iron and not leaning off down to the side.
Yeah, so I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
I mean, perfect curl every time, every single time.
You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah.
And at this point, I look like I should have been in Dreamgirls, because the pinup curls really did it for me. So I did go in with some hairspray, and then I let it sit for maybe like 15 minutes. I was helping my brother with something. And then now we're taking it down, and then I'll be putting oil on my hand before I comb throughout the hair. So I'll be combing vertically and horizontally. Like, you'll see me tilt my head and then comb from the side as well. And that's how you're going to get your volume.
You wanna get with me, stop. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it's going.
And don't forget to brush out the back of your hair. Obviously, I'm not going anywhere, so I didn't really care, but make sure you're doing that. So yeah, I'm feeling myself. Let me give me some eyebrows. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna let my outro do its thing. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe
I don't feel like putting on makeup. I might do something. I don't know. Boom. I think it's cute. I like it. Feel like I'm straight out of a movie. Alright. And that is going to be the finished product. I'm not gonna put on any makeup right now. I'll put it on for the thumbnail, but yeah, that's it. Get into it. My hair is all over the place, but you know, I'm not worried about it. Now let's get into the details. I'm pretty sure this is HD. If this isn't an HD lace, I ate. It doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure this is HD because this is, I mean, you gotta get real close to even see. So yeah, I ate. But yeah, this is from Iftime Hair. I installed one of their wigs before. I'll link it up here. It was this one. It was it's called Natural Flip Over. That's the title of the video. So yeah, but anyway, I'll link it. Yeah, because even this lace, I remember it was really good. This is fire. Now, I didn't like how the highlights are constructed, specifically at the top. Like, once the trek starts, it's just straight brown, and then the whole frontal is black, and then it has like little highlight streaks. I don't like that. That's really weird to me. Cause now the back, I added some layers. I probably said that, but I added some layers so it's not brown all the way down, because then that's also weird. I tried to make it look better, and that's what I thought. So that's what we got. But yeah, so this is 20 inches in the highlight ombre, and yeah, I did cut it. I cut like maybe about that much, like 3 inches. I was adding layers, and then y'all saw once I installed it, it kind of looked thin, so I was like, okay, let me figure something out. So I have 3 wigs. I bleached this one, and that one, this blonde one. I did all those 3 last night. I just got this black one today that I need to bleach, and then I have 2 more coming tomorrow. I didn't even realize that I didn't post, or didn't even have a video to post, I should say. I was gonna post today. Today is Saturday, and I was like, I'm already off schedule, let me just post it Monday. So yeah, other than that, that is going to be it. I'm excited to do my makeup for some thumbnail pictures. I feel like they're gonna come out really cute. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Quick subscriber count, because I haven't been doing them in like the past few videos. We're at 517. Thank you so much. Mwah.
Ain't with that nonsense or that lovey-dovey mess. Feeling kinda freaky, late night calling, cause you got the best. Slip on Victoria's Secret, hit the
Okay, so I'ma insert this clip before I finish the hair. Even though I already finished it, I forgot to do the dang part. I mean, the part looks fine for me to not have done anything. I'm sitting here about to take pictures, and I'm like, hold on. I'm not gonna pluck it though. No plucking. It still looks good. I might end up putting on some lashes, but yeah. Okay. Just wanted to add that bit.